Good morning, CTA. I miss you all so much, and I hope everybody's being safe. Today, I'm gonna be talking to you about a very popular compound word and some tips to be safe. Okay? The popular word for today is coronavirus. Of course, you have heard a lot of talk about coronavirus, but what is coronavirus? Alright, so corona in Spanish means crown. The sun also has a crown, as you can see. All those yellow spikes are the crowns or corona. Now, here is a microscope, and scientists use the microscope to be able to see viruses. Coronavirus. And the virus is called corona because it resembles a sun. It has a corona too. Now here, this is a home, and this is how we have been the last month. Everybody inside the house, having family time. But the important thing to remember is that we are trying to protect our grandparents and all senior citizens so they don't get sick. Okay, so do it for them. I'm ready to go to the grocery store, and please make sure that you wear your gloves and make also sure that you wear your, okay? We want all of you to be safe. Okay, have a great day. Bye.